Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the basics. Check the server jar, plugin jar, and Luckperms version so they match exactly. Once done, make a safe backup of the config and database files so you can revert if needed. Next, enable debug or trace logging in config and restart the server to capture errors. This shows why the plugin failed to load or connect. As you gather logs, note any stack traces or class loader errors for the next steps. You now dive into diagnostics. Read the debug log for no class def found error, dependency failures, or database timeouts to see the root cause. If storage is external, make sure credentials, host, port, and schema exist. Test with a DB client so you know the server can reach it. Also scan the plugins folder for conflicting permission plugins or duplicate Luckperms jars. Remove duplicates and restart. If a dependency is missing, install the correct library or update the server's Java version so APIs align. You finish by applying the determined fixes. Replace or update the Luckperms jar, correct configuration entries, and restart the server to let the plugin initialize. Once running, test core commands like /lpinfo and /lpuser, then validate permission behavior in-game to confirm fix. If problems persist, revert to your backup to restore a known good state, collect the startup log and plugin debug output, and run safe mode diagnostics so you can share precise errors for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.